Hello friends. After a lot of thinking we decided that we will visit Hidden Castle Resort. We are on the same route. This resort is 1.5 hours away from Hyderabad. So this is the entry gate. We can visit it. It is so beautiful. Offline booking is not done here only, so we have booked online. So the receptionist told us to go through this route. Okay, so now let's take some pics of the beautiful dress I am wearing, which my sister suggested. So, welcome to Hidden Castle. This is not a normal entrance, its opening is in a mysterious way. Crowd here. So, there is one guide who is taking us to the auditorium where we are being made to play a game, and his name is Chintu. So, the Hidden Castle architecture is inspired by a blend of medieval European castles and fantastical imaginative designs, creating a unique and immersive experience. So we have come to the auditorium where the game is being played. We are enjoying a lot here.
Water, faster, quicker, ladies or gents. 3 rounds we are going to pick up. Please, sir. Hello, listen to me. 3 rounds. Each glass you pick up. Hello, madam. Listen to me. What did I say this one? Babu, Babu, you're calling me. Listen to me. Each glass you pick up 10 points to ladies. 3 glasses, 30 marks. Boys pick up four glasses, 40 marks. 3 rounds. Okay? Now the game is when I say take, only then you have to take the class. Otherwise, whatever I say, you have to do. Everybody ready? Head, head, eyes, nose, cheeks, stomach, head, legs. You have to bend like this. Hello. Ready? That's all. When I say take, you have to take. Stand straight. Ready? Start. Eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks. Head! अरे head यार, head! When I say take, you have to take. It will be -10. Come on, keep the glass. Ready? Start. Eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks. Why are you washing face? Whatever I say, you touch. Start. Head, stomach, eyes! Eyes! Now it's enough. जो भी गलती करेगा -10 होगा. Touch wrong, -10. Ready? Start. 20, 30, 40. My God, that is only 20. Guys are leading. Ready? Start. Eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears. -10 ladies, -10 gents. Ready? Now 10 and 30. Ready? Start. Eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears. Head, stomach. Take! 10, 20.
So after the game, music is being shown. So now I would like to keep the suspense for you all. I'll not show you everything. So now we are going to a museum where there are
वाह ये कॉइन है
old
ना
notes, very old notes. from different countries, and some of the notes are from the time when I was a child. Rupees, you say rupees? The notes of 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 5 rupees. London Electric Lamp. The stronger lamp. Wow. I felt like taking all the notes home, as many coins were being sold for of rupees hundreds, 100 rupees. How many notes are there? How many coins are also? Republic India coins, 1 paise, 2 paise. There are many paintings. So now we are going to the tunnel. As soon as I came out of the tunnel, I saw a beautiful but dangerous peacock. I thought not to disturb him. So this was a place where cold drinks were served to us. You can see the designs of all the benches are that are inspired from old times. And there are many fishes also. The weather is so pleasant. So now I am swinging. My childhood memories were fresh. In childhood, I used to go to seesaw. After that, we were playing seesaw. My laughter was unstoppable. I was too much laughing on that time. There was a lot of things like zipline, but I was tired, so now I wanted to play archery, but I was not able to do it, unfortunately. My hubby was teaching me how to do this. He was doing very well. Now I have learnt a lot and it was a lot of fun. Now we were taking rest. So now it was lunch time. There was a crowd. I felt like we were the last ones to reach her. And Chintu was singing a song. So everybody should need to have the coupon so that you could have get unlimited food, salad, papad, and the food is also of non-vegetarian for non-vegetarian also and for vegetarian also. There was egg curry, naan rice, plain rice, jeera rice, all, and the last I'm eating ice cream, which I love the most. Now we have finished our food. So now we will take a bath in the swimming pool for which I was waiting since morning. In the evening we were getting snacks like ponugulu and tea, coffee, whatever you want to drink. I am enjoying too much. I didn't want to go from here. Someone asked him to give feedback, so he was giving.
I myself Nisant Kumar Sharma. I am from Hyderabad. So I came here to explore. I was just exploring in Book My Show some good resort. I found Hidden Castle was a good resort. View was good. But while the entrance was seamless, as well as when we entered, we would have been offered a welcome drink. Thereafter, we entered with something mysterious entry was there. It's not a normal entry. Something unique means everything we will be surprising to know. Thereafter, when you go for a magic show, there are museums, the collection of coins is used. So once you visit, and the food was good overall, and it's not too spicy, not too low, but food is good, and it was in accurate. The rain dance, the swimming pool, as well as the cricket or zip line, this seesaw, all are good. But over here, if you come once, you will say no, I have to come one again, because exploring the full Hidden Castle is worth, and the amount which we have spent, we have not expected that it would be good. I have visited many resorts, but this resort within Hyderabad locality, it's just 1.5 hours from Hyderabad. You can come here, visit and explore. That's all. Thank you.